Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a rare big block Ford. This is a factory S-code 390 1966 Fairlane GT. In the comments, if you know the difference between a GT and a GTA, drop it down in the comments.
We do.
We do. We're going to spoil it here in a few seconds, but drop it down in the comments if you know the difference.
You mentioned in the video that we did for our walk around, you like the cam sound to it. It does have a nice sound. Great running engine, 390. It is a date code, correct? 390. Same with the 4-speed tranny.
Yep.
It's also a 66 motor and tranny. So we assume it's the original, but we can't prove that.
Really good looking car, and like you said, rotisserie restoration, probably done about 10 years ago. The underneath is all painted a beautiful red, very nicely done, 4-speed, and that right there is the difference between a GT and a GTA. So a GT with a 4-speed is a GT, GTA be GT automatic.
Yep, you got it, D. You've learned something in the last few years.
Yep.
What I want to point out on this one is just the condition of the paint, under the hood, top of the cowl.
You can go inside.
Engine looks beautiful. Top of the shock towers and stuff are awesome, rust-free as well. Now another thing that's kind of cool, the VIN number location on a 66, 67 Fairlane, right here.
Nice.
Bet you didn't know that. Okay, and you're looking at the S-code, which is a 394 burro. But the engine bay is just beautiful on it. Very, very nice. As we go to the front here, it looks like the eyebrow trim's original and really good shape. The 3 center bars all look nice. Front bumper looks excellent. I'm excited to drive this one. The back of the hood lines up nice as well on both sides.
Him too. When I drove it when it first came in, I was just really impressed, you know. Shifts good, handles good. The original radio, I'm pretty sure it still worked when I drove it.
Fit good in there with the factory 4-speed?
Yeah, big boy car. It's comfortable.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. But yeah, just
not a Galaxy, but the mid-size car.
Yep. Mid-boy car.
Mid-boy.
Yeah.
We didn't really know what to do with the tires. It came in with the white walls. It's got the 14-inch correct style rims, and the rims are in excellent shape. Tires are fine, but the problem with it is I didn't know if to leave the white wall or you know, raised white letters or a red line. So we just went ahead and left it alone, and the next guy can kind of figure out if that's the look he wants. Great gap, top to bottom. Bottom of the front fender is excellent. Rocker panel is nice as well. Bottom of the door sticks out just a little bit here in the very base of it. Other than that, lines up really nice there. Rocker panel is excellent over the wheel well is beautiful, and behind the wheel is also. Here's kind of a look at the underside of it. It's all painted red, nice exhaust. Black frame rails, black torque boxes, just like it should be. In the roof sail here is excellent. Don't see any lead lines across the top of the roof. Is in really nice shape as well. Top of the back seat and top of the rear package tray looks nice. As we go to the back bumper is in excellent shape as well. Original trim on the back, the GT trim all looks good. Tail lights are original, nice shape as well. As we move in here to the inside, looks like when they did the restoration, they replaced all the felts. They're all in excellent shape. Door handles are original. Shows kind of the quality, the original quality of the car. The door handles still look almost new. Just a couple little pits, they're original. Bottom of the door, quarter of the door looks good.
That's a squeaky ass truck.
Jeez. Isn't that funny?
Mm-hmm. Like that's probably that's probably a 2012.
Yeah. Everything has problems, right? Nothing's perfect.
Yeah.
Truck didn't come from us.
Nope.
On or off the trailer there. Okay. Inside the door jamb paint is just gorgeous. Carpet looks really nice. front edge of the door is excellent. Door jamb paint, just as I would suspect. The doors, the fenders, the hood, the trunk lid, everything was taken off, painted professionally when it was done. The door panel looks brand new. Interior light works on the door panel here with the door open. Dome light works as well. Headliner's super tight. Dalton, this is really a nice car.
It is.
I mean, this interior is super crisp, isn't it? Back seat is excellent. Even the light works in the back of the console. Top of the dash pad is perfect. Wood grain steering wheel is awful nice. Like Dalton mentioned, and we'll see if it works, but the AM radio is still in there. Aftermarket Stuart Warner gauges. Dash looks nice.
God, it's a beautiful car, especially you stand
You know
back.
what?
Just the way
It is.
The 390 hood, I love that. The way everything fits. Couldn't ask for a better color either.
Excuse me. As we look up and down the side, as Dalton mentioned, this color red is gorgeous. Body lines are all straight on the driver's side here. Quarter panel is awesome. Go up and over the wheel well, looks good. There's your rocker panel. Bottom of the door fits really nice and flush here on this side. It's got just a little tiny paint chip right in the corner. Other than that, really the rocker and lower fender all look great. Got just a tiny little paint chip right there. And another one right here. It's a little rock chip. And the doors open and close so nice. It's your factory code. It's original T code, which is red. Door jamb paint, corner of the door looks good. I mean, this is a car you can take to any car show and be super proud of it, D.
Yeah, probably win some trophies too.
Yeah, definitely. You don't see them very often. You see a lot of Chevelles. You don't see a lot of the Fairlane GTs.
No, you don't.
You just don't. Seats are in excellent shape. Really no wear going in or out. Carpet's excellent. Again, this door jam's got the remote mirror and that works. Corner of the doors are awesome. And that's one thing, you know, Mustangs and Fairlanes, the unibodies, they just rotted out. Mm-hmm. So many of these Fairlanes are just really half-assed, and this is a good one. We can get the stocking hat in the sun.
I know, it's got a, I don't know, it's different.
Still a little chilly though.
Won't be long, you'll be wearing flip-flops.
True.
The weather's coming.
That'll happen. Oil pressure, I mean, it's cold right now, right? It's just 120 degrees. The Stuart Warner temp gauge works. Oil pressure's at 70 at an idle. If we drop our idle down with the cam going about 600 RPM, oil pressure still at 65 pounds. Gas gauge works. Wipers work. New blades. We always put new blades on them if they need them. Horn. Heater fan works good. Right now you got it on your feet. And that went from the feet to defrost. Works perfectly,
Nice.
Don't it? That's not going to work, is it?
Ha, I was right. That's cool.
What a sweetheart.
So many times, especially those, you know, don't work, the ones that are in the dash cluster.
Yeah. How about this day-night mirror? Now works good. 89,000 actual miles. That's why it's so solid. Dude.
Yeah.
It is. I mean, 89,000. And the trim. A lot of the trim is nice too. You know, you can see some of that's original.
Yeah, you can tell it's probably just always a grandpa car.
It's just a good car. And how about a 4-speed? There's not many of them with a nice factory 4-speed and console. Tachometer up here works as well.
I like how it has the correct shifter, you know, the right transmission. No one went ahead and put some, you know,
I mean,
goofy
Ford
air
did it
shifter.
right. I love the factory shifter. So many people put a short throw and just butcher
And
shit.
that shifter ball is cool too.
Yeah. You know, with the reverse, just like the Chevelle, same thing. You got to pull it up, over, and then let it go. Otherwise, they could probably cross jam it. Very smooth transition going in. Also, the visors are nice and tight. Should we stop from a dead stop or what, D?
Yeah, see what the old big block Ford can do.
Temperature's up to 140 now. Oil pressure's
Another
at
thing, I had
60.
this idling out front of the dealership for probably 20 minutes. Temp didn't get above 180.
Really?
Yeah, it just runs nice and
I'm not gonna, I can't do that.
cool. It broke them loose though.
Oh, def and posi.
Left some black marks.
Oh, yeah, definitely. We're just gonna start with this way, ready? This thing's fast.
It is. Still squealing right there.
What are you talking about? That's
This thing's
insane. 35, 4,000
Dude,
RPM.
how about the sound of that motor too? It's like so well balanced. It just sounds.
Dude, this is awesome.
Yeah.
I like what you said there. The other thing I want to mention is we were in third gear doing 70 mile an hour, and the tach was about 3,400 to 3,400 RPMs. These gears on this are perfect, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Let's turn it around and just do one more, but we'll downshift once. There's your third. Synchros into second. Up into first.
Nice.
Really nice synchros. This is quality GT here. Yeah, we were doing a roll. I mean, we were rolling at 10 mile an hour and it just roasted them.
Yeah. Yeah, like I mentioned, just the engine just sounds really smooth, you know? That's one thing I like about it when it's idling too.
It's like
just
this.
balanced.
The steering wheel is excellent. You ready? Okay, we're doing 15 right now. Ready? 4,000 shift, 3,000, 70, 4,000 shift. And it is smooth.
Yeah, it's a good car.
One of the best this is the best driving car right now we have in the lot.
Yeah,
And we got some good ones.
We do. Check it out on the website, coyoteplastics.com. This is a pretty special Fairlane. Don't miss your chance to buy it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.